This Sound Rover wireless party speaker with lighting effects. So we get this at Walmart. Okay, so it's kind of huge. Oh my gosh! And then I can even stand it. You can see my head. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, I'm gonna move back so that you can see. So when you are using knife, you need to be very careful because it's sharp. Okay, let's see what's inside of this. Okay, so there's a manual and a cord. And there's a huge mic here. Wow, this is a nice mic. This is a very nice mic. Okay, we have mic here. Then, wow. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, it's so heavy. Very heavy. Okay, and at the back, it's like there's electricity. Here at the back, I'm going to make my camera closer. I think that's fine. Okay, so here there's antenna. This is really good because for outdoor, this is very important to catch like a good spot or a good location. And then for mic in, and here this is for Bluetooth. Okay, I'm gonna try to plug it so that we can see how this works. This is a good one, correct?
Okay.
Very good.
One of these It's really big.
Yes, it's good. Okay, so
Spacious.
yeah. Okay, so I'm going to try this speaker if it's if it's good or not. Otherwise, we can just return it or replace it. Okay, so I charge it, and at the back there's an antenna. Okay, so this is an antenna to catch a good location or station if you are going to use the radio. And then there's a mic here. This is the mic, and this mic is really good. This mic costs $25. Okay, there you go. And then there's also a USB power out here, and this is the mic volume, mic level, and then bass, treble, and volume. This is the master volume, and then the power on. Let's see.
Powering on. Welcome to Alltech Lansing.
Wow, that's really wow. And the good thing about this is there's a handle, and this one is like for a suitcase. It's like a suitcase, and then there's a handle here on the bottom part. Okay, so I'm gonna, and then there's a wheel right here. Okay, so let's try it on. I need to turn on the Bluetooth. Okay, so that you can see. Okay, so I need my iPad. You can use your phone or iPad to connect it. Okay, so I'm gonna use my iPad to connect it. And Joe Goldwyn will gonna try it because he's a good singer. He's a good singer. I always collaborate with Joe Goldwyn, so that's his channel name. So don't forget to subscribe, Joe Goldwyn. Okay, so I'm using my settings to turn on the Bluetooth. Okay, so the name of this is All Sound Reader. Yes, did you hear that? Okay, so now let's see. Okay, I'm gonna find a song. What's and here I can adjust the back. I will adjust first the back, and then later on I will show you the color. And now I'm going to flip it so that you can see the light. Okay, are you ready?
Searching for a toothpaste that's good for the world and really works? Then open your world to nature with Burt's Bees, a toothpaste made with ingredients you can trust that fights cavities, freshens breath.
In a bar in Toledo, across from the depot, on a bar stool, she took off the ring. I thought I'd get closer, so I walked on over, sat down, asked her her name. When the drinks finally hit her, she said I'm no quitter, but I finally quit living on the dream. Hungry for laughter and eager ever after, I'm after whatever the other might bring. In the mirror I saw him, and I closely watched him. I thought how he looked out of place. He came to the woman who sat there beside me. He had a strange look on his face. His big hands were callous. He looked like a mountain. For a minute
guys, so that's it. So we tried it and it sounds good, better, and this is good for outdoor because you can just carry it. You can push it. So I can show you that this is like a suitcase, and this is also battery operated. Okay, so look at that. Let's go to a party outside. Come on, let's go to a party. Yeah, okay, so this is really good for something outdoor. It's just heavy. Yeah, it's heavy. Oh, wow, I can carry it. Yeah, but it's heavy, guys. So anyway, that's my video, and I just wanted to share it because I think this might be a good idea for you if you wanted to get a speaker for indoor and outdoor, and also for your karaoke. And again, thank you very much, guys, for watching my video, my unboxing. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my partner, my hubby, Joel Goldwing. And don't forget to like, give me a thumbs up, and share my video with your friends and families. Okay, bye bye. See you next time. Enjoy your karaoke. Enjoy